YouTube, it's Nikki from Nikkililly and welcome to my 16th birthday vlog. I actually can't believe I'm 16. I've been filming birthday vlogs since I was 11 and now I'm 16, which is absolutely insane to me. And I've been filming YouTube videos since I was 8, so literally for half my life now I've been filming YouTube videos, which is... What? Oh, I wonder who that is. I'm just hanging out with Alex. Alex, say hi. You've actually not been in one of my videos for ages because you've been at uni. And this guy... But we have returned. And this guy got a first because you finished uni now, which is absolutely insane. Very proud of him. So it's a very cuddle. It's a very strange time at the moment, obviously, with everything going on in the world. So I'm not able to do as much as I would have hoped to, but there are so many other people who've had to cancel birthdays, weddings. My prom's been cancelled, which is very annoying. My graduation got cancelled. My graduation got cancelled and postponed. So it's very annoying, but we're just going to try and make the best of the things that we've got. And we're planning to go out for dinner today. That's one thing I'm very happy about, is that some of the restaurants have opened back up again. So it's kind of like my birthday meal slash celebration for Alex's first and kind of basically graduating. Just my general existence, really. Your general, you know, you being Alex, basically. Yeah. This morning I opened my presents and there'll be a what I got for my birthday also coming soon. So keep your eyes peeled for that. But that's it. Thank you to so many people, to everyone that sent me, thank you to so many people. Thank you to everyone that has sent me a birthday message so far. It genuinely means the absolute world to me, so thank you. Yeah, let's get going with my 16th birthday vlog. The weather is absolutely gorgeous today and I was so worried that the weather wasn't going to be nice. Alex has the best view of our garden in his room. I probably have the best view of our garden in the world. You think you've got, well, yeah, who else is going to view our garden? Oh, I just saw a butterfly. All of our, like, flowers look so cute. My mum and dad love gardening, so they always make our garden look really cute and pretty. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to wear tonight, but I'll show you a quick overview of what my presents are and... Oh! There's Mum. Yeah, I think Dad's making breakfast. Don't mind the absolute state, which is my room and my bed. So I got this really cute card from just everyone in the family. So my mum, dad, Alex and Tasha. It's massive. I love custom cards. I made one for Alex for his birthday. And then I've just got some really cute bits of clothing. I made like a proper list this year just to help my mum and dad out with buying presents because it's been quite a stressful time. So I just wanted to give them as little stress and, like, you know, worrying as possible. I've wanted a shoulder bag for the longest time, so I love this. And a couple of makeup bits, jewellery, scrunchies. You can look forward to that when I do what I got for my 16th birthday haul. I'm not going to show you it all now. But yeah, I'm just going to chill. I've got so many birthday messages to reply to, which I'm very grateful for. So I'm going to start replying to them and then eat something and get dressed. That's it for now.
Happy birthday, my 16 Nikki, happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you, Nana. Oh, you're not finished. Thank you.
My God, you are a little young woman now.
I know. When did that happen, Nana? Love you.
I love you very much, okay, my darling?
Yeah.
Love you and I'll see you soon.
Oh, my Nan is so cute. She's the sweetest person ever.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
Okay, so it's a little bit later now. I've had breakfast. I was on FaceTime for a little while to my best friend Leah. And I've just tidied up my room because it was such a mess. I've got a couple of my presents on. I've got this necklace on which I got, which has a little Chanel logo on it. And this top, which is so cute. It says Isolation Generation from Sisters and Seekers. I've always wanted to try some stuff from there. This is my birthday outfit for the day. Here are the courgettes that we've been growing in our garden. I love blue with pink. And these shorts from Urban. I've just not worn very much because I got them like right at the end of summer. So then it got cold and then there was no right time to wear them. So this is what I'm wearing. And I've got my pink hair. And then I'll change when it's time to go out. I'll show you what our conservatory looks like because it's been decorated. You guys know it always gets decorated when it's my birthday, which I'm so grateful for. My mum and dad also decorated the hallway, but my 16 balloons got a bit deflated, so my mum's just gone back to get the 6 in the 16 puffed up, either changed or just reinflated, because it's basically already deflating and it's been less than a day. I'll show you what the conservatory looks like. It's so cute. So this is okay, right. So this is the overview. It looks so cute. The conservatory looks so cute because it's sunny. We've got Happy 16th Nikki with all of these decorations. And then up here we've got all of these other decorations. And it just looks so cute. And then Dad's in the garden watering. But yeah, oh, I love it. These are literally my favourite colours. So although the balloons aren't here, my 16 balloons, I just thought I'd quickly show you what is in the hallway. So I've got a couple more of those decorations that are in the conservatory, and then my mum made me a happy 16th birthday B-Day Nikki, which is so cute. She does a sign for me every year. And we've got some more pastel balloons. I love the colours of these, they're so cute. I especially love this one. Kind of colour coordinates with my hair. So does this one. I'm just happy and lucky to be at home with my family to celebrate. So it's about 2:30 now, and my mum has just gone to get my birthday cake. There's this lady that does amazing cakes, and we always talk about her and how we would love to have a birthday cake done by her. So my mum was so sweet and has got me a birthday cake from her. So she's currently picking it up. I think it has like chai sponge, which sounds insane, and I think it's got like a peach compote or something. It just sounds insane, so I'm so excited to try it. Because it's going to have edible flowers on it, apparently the flowers look best in the first 2 hours of having the cake. So I thought I would start doing my makeup now, because I want to take some birthday pictures with my balloons and also the cake. So I want to make sure that the cake is at its best. I thought I'd start doing my makeup so that I'm ready to take the photos for them. I'm going to do that now, so roll the time lapse. We're against sister. I unfortunately just had a nosebleed, which is very annoying, and it's now 20 to 5, so I lost about an hour and a half that I would have spent on makeup and doing stuff, and I'm just not really in the mood to speak to people. I think it's just because I had a nosebleed on my birthday. It's just quite annoying and frustrating. It's like I could have had a nosebleed any other day, but you picked today. My nosebleed has finished now. Alex has just been sitting with me. What a darling. Now I'm just going to try and get back on it and finish off my makeup. I had such nice makeup as well, so I was like, yeah, my skin looks really nice. It's gonna be such nice makeup. And I had a nosebleed, so we're leaving in like 2 hours. Let's get hustling. So I've just done my makeup. I actually really like it. I think it has all come together. So I'm going to go downstairs and take some Insta pics and then get changed into something a little bit more smart. And then, oh yeah, we're gonna cut the cake and I'm so excited to see it. My mum said it looks amazing, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh, this cake is literally insane. It's probably the most beautiful cake I've ever seen. So thank you, Daddy and Mummy, for
You're welcome, darling.
the cake.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. It's from my little cake tin. The colours of these flowers are gorgeous. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nikki. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Hello.
Yeah. Make a wish.
That's massive. Grand reveal. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to get a fork.
And what is what?
Okay, so it's chai and cardamom sponge, I think, with a chai pistachio milk. I don't remember.
It's a masala chai sponge with a peach and cardamom compote and pistachio crumb Swiss meringue buttercream.
Right, let's do the taste test. Alex, what do you think?
That's really good.
Is it? Mum, what do you think?
Oh, it's so light.
Oh, that is very good.
I like the compote.
That icing is very
It's a
nice
peach
too.
compote. Oh my god, it's so light. It's not sweet, is it? It's just delicious.
Oh yeah, I just realised I forgot to show you my balloons. So here they are, they look so pretty. I got them in rose gold because, you know, that's my favourite colour. As you can see, I've changed my outfit and I'm wearing a couple of bits that I got for my birthday today, including this bag, but I can't seem to shut it, so I need to work that one out. That's making me laugh. Wow, it really is hot in here. Let me put you here. Are you gonna stay? Oh, you are. Okay, perfect. I'm obsessed with mesh tops. Not gonna lie, a bit hot in it at the moment, but it is going to get a bit chillier as it gets later. So I just thought this was perfect, and it's quite thin. Ugh, where's my necklace? And then I'm wearing my necklace that I got for my birthday. And then I'm wearing my Topshop skirt, can you see? Just this red corduroy skirt. I've got this bag too from Urban. I managed to quickly shave my legs because I realised they weren't shaved, but they're probably very patchy and they're a bit itchy, but oh well. At least I managed to do that. So very excited to go to Rocker and eat some sushi. Sushi is literally my favourite food ever in the whole entire world. I feel very like smart with my shoulder bag. Very independent. Quite dark, so we're using flash and I look super pale, so you're going to look even more pale next to Alex. I know. Too much on the table.
Yeah, go for that.
My feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet.
And it. Good, isn't it? Scrumptiddly yumptious. I love food. Next up is the Mackie rolls. Okay, Dad, wave at the camera. Wave at the camera. Kasha?
Wanna move my feet.
Voila.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, there's one more coming.
More?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh my! Thank you so much.
The dessert platter from the gentleman from the table over there.
Thank you so much. So I just met this lovely family. They recognised me from TikTok and I told them that it was my birthday, so we just started chatting. And then all of a sudden we're finished with eating our food and this whole dessert platter comes out, which was from them. It's literally so big. It's as long as the whole table. And it says, where does it say happy birthday? Oh, so lovely. So we're going to eat these and then go home and I think we're going to play some games. So I'm looking forward to that. I meant to vlog in the car, but I was kind of like half asleep, half awake. I was dozing in and out of sleep. I just felt really tired all of a sudden. I'm currently just taking my makeup off because it's basically all rubbed off and I hate the feeling of makeup on your skin that's been a bit worn and it's old because I know that it's just going to give me such bad spots. Although we are quite tired, the day's not over yet. To finish off taking off my makeup, I've just put my cleansing balm on and then I'm going to do my another cleanse and then just, you know, put my moisturiser on, get into my PJs, get comfy, and then I'll see you when I'm downstairs and ready to play some games and eat cake with the fam. Hello, so we ended up being too tired to play a game or anything, so we just had some cake, sat downstairs for like half an hour and then we all basically have called it a night. So that's it, this is the end of my 16th birthday vlog. Another year, another birthday, another vlog. I literally can't believe I'm 16, like how, who, what, when, why, huh? Like How did that happen? I literally say this in every single birthday vlog, but I can't speak. I'm so tired, I can't speak. But honestly, your love and support ever since I started YouTube has meant the absolute world to me, and I'm so grateful and love you all very much. Thank you to anyone that sent me a birthday message. Thank you to my family, especially my mum and dad, for making my birthday a special one and making me feel special on my birthday, especially in this crazy time. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys lots. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button if you haven't already. And I'll see you very soon. Bye everyone. Love you. Mwah.